Hi there, it's J.O.B here, and I'm here in my neighborhood in La Jolla, California, just enjoying this day. But I've had something heavy on my mind. See, a lot of people have jobs out there, and I was in the same boat when I started. I was $120,000 in debt living with my dad just a few years ago. So I worked hard, learning from my mentors, and I launched my business online to 6 and then 7 figures. See, I've been able to serve clients all over the world, and I want to share with you what I've learned. Because you gotta be able to have a system that you can plug in, that actually works, so you can start working for yourself and not working for your boss. And I wanna share the secrets that I've discovered. So what I've done is I put together a free mini course that you can go and check out. So go ahead, click the link below, sign up for my mini course, and I'm gonna show you the secrets that I've learned, and I promise it's gonna blow you away. All right, so I'll see you there. Peace.